Assalamu alaikum. It's day 16 of my 30-day communication challenge. As we mentioned yesterday, we are diving into something practical and powerful today, which is the PREP formula. PREP is an acronym that stands for point, reason, example, and point. This simple formula helps you to structure your thoughts clearly and confidently. The P stands for point, that is, stating your points clearly. The R stands for reason, that is, giving a reason or a why statement to support whatever you're talking about. The E stands for example, that is, sharing an example to make your presentation relatable. The last P stands for point again, that is, restating your point for emphasis sake. This formula is especially helpful when you are nervous, overthinking, or just want to sound more organized and impactful. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Salamun alaikum.